Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw brokerage funds to a credit union account. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your brokerage account using your secure credentials. Navigate to the account or funds section of the platform. Look for an option labeled withdrawal or transfer funds. Select this option to initiate the withdrawal process. You may need to specify the amount you wish to transfer. Ensure that you check the minimum withdrawal limits set by the brokerage. Next, look for a list of available withdrawal methods. Select electronic transfer or ACH transfer as your preferred method. Add your credit union account information if you haven't done so already. Provide your credit union's routing number and your account number accurately. Double-check the details entered to avoid any errors. Review any fees associated with the withdrawal process. Confirm your identity if prompted, by answering security questions or entering a code sent to your email or phone. Once you verify your withdrawal request, submit it. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your request is being processed. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding the status of your withdrawal. Allow several business days for the funds to appear in your credit union account. Check your credit union account regularly to confirm the deposit. If you encounter any issues during this process, reach out to your brokerage's customer support for assistance. Following these steps will ensure a smooth withdrawal of your brokerage funds to your credit union account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.